Hello everyone, it's William O'Clock, and today it is time to talk about a watch I just received, so let's discover together the Loyalist Automatic by Archetype. Before we get a glimpse at this watch, I just want to say a few words about its manufacturer. Archetype is a new brand of automatic watches whose first collection was released in 2020 and is founded by the popular Watches.com online retailer formerly known as Watchissimo. Watches.com is a US-based company that retails a huge variety of original watches from all around the globe and is also the founder of Xeric. They created Archetype with the motivation of assembling watches that combine simultaneously an utterly original design and an affordable price range. The Loyalist Automatic we have here features premium-looking materials with a complex date and calendar system for just under $300. So let's see how interesting this watch is. First, we have a standard packaging with a second cardboard protection where we find a gold Archetype printed inscription. Once removed, we get a standard black watch case made of soft material and a plastic Archetype logo. Inside the case, the watch is well strapped in the middle, and the lid holds an illustrated warranty card with a flash code you need to scan to get to the user manual online. The watch itself is properly protected with plastic film that covers the whole crystal at the front as well as the crystal at the back end. The crystal is made out of hardened mineral that offers a strong resistance against scratches, higher than most of entry-level watches made of plastic-based crystal like acrylic, but still lower than luxury watches made with sapphire crystal. The diameter of the bezel is 42mm wide and is surrounded by a hand-finished 316L stainless steel case. Before setting the time, it is recommended to give an initial hand winding to power up the mainspring and launch the PTS LB19 multifunction movement. It is a 20 joules automatic movement manufactured in China with 21,600 beats per minute and has up to 36 hours of power reserve. As we'll see later on, this movement can handle a date and calendar complication. At the back we find the same stainless steel but polished, at the center of which we see the Archetype aged oscillating weight of the movement. Watch specifications are written in the middle, such as the model's name, the series number, the limited edition and the ATM numbers. The strap is a 20mm crack stamp leather with tool-free Crick-Woolly spring bar system. The model we have here is the Blue Tan, which features a cosmic blue dial with a white and silver element assembly and a tanned leather strap. What makes this watch so special comes both from its design and mechanism. For instance, the association of thin hands and ticks enable a sharp read of the time. The hour, minute and second hands are equipped with non-radioactive photoluminescent material to improve time telling in the absence of light. These are not tritium gas tubes, so they will not glow endlessly and will need several minutes of ambient light exposure to trigger the photoluminescent process that can last up to a few hours. Last but not least, the watch features three other mechanisms in addition to the time. A big date indexing system at noon, a day of the week dial at 9 o'clock, and a month dial at 3 o'clock. Of course, this goes without saying that we can see the internal automatic mechanism at 6 o'clock as well. Let's have a closer view so that we can observe the spring of the rotator. And if you look carefully, you can even see the ruby gemstone that is used at the pivot, axis and gear wheels contact points. So-called rubies in watches are not the real luxury gemstones but chemically synthesized ones that share the same properties as real rubies. Ruby is one of the hardest materials after diamond and is used for its capacity to minimize the friction between mechanical pieces that metal-made would have otherwise caused damages, failures to the movement. The different dials can be easily set up with dedicated pushers. The top pusher triggers the date indexing system, the bottom pusher triggers the month hand, and the hidden pusher at 8 o'clock changes the day hand. Alright, all things considered, I have to admit the Loyalist Automatic is a masterpiece. At this price point, it is almost impossible to find a watch combining elegance, premium quality look, complex calendar movement, and robustness with protective hardened mineral glass. I bought this watch on my own and I cannot wait to wear it all day. If you are too interested to get one of the 500 units of this limited edition, click in the affiliated link in the description and find the Loyalist color finition you prefer. If you watched this video because you are simply curious about watches in general, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Based on your thumbs up and reactions, I might share other videos like this. Thanks for watching, William O'Clock, and see you in another episode. Bye.